back to a very special episode of Spotter Jutting. My name is Ben, amateur call sign K0BJJ, and we are actually doing an unboxing today of a new radio that I ordered. So if you're interested in that, you probably already know what it is by the title. Stay tuned. So everyone, thank you for holding on there. I'm going to give you a hint. This came special ordered from Missouri. And this isn't going to get used in the house a lot. Let's take a look. We have packing peanuts. I'm going to pause you guys while I get to the bottom of these packing peanuts. Hold on. Alright. On top of the packing peanuts from BridgeCom. Yeah, we ordered something. So we ordered. So let's get into it. Right on top, Skybridge plus dual band hotspot. I've never played with DMR. This is going to be a first for me. I'll make sure you guys can see everything. Here, get a little bit more into it. There we go. The Skybridge. I did buy BridgeCom's plug-and-play package, so theoretically this is all mostly ready to go for me. Came with the car plug, which is going to come in very handy because this is my new on-the-road setup. A house charger. An antenna, which we'll put that on right now. Oh, put that on camera. How about? I think this might be either a program. I think this is a programming cable. Ethernet cable. And if I remember right from one of the unboxings, I think I saw this is a backup battery. Yes, it is. I'm going to have to hide this from my wife. She might steal it for her phone. Alright. So, we'll get this stuff put back in here. And on to the item I desperately need right now. Because my mobile radio took a poo on me. Brand new Anytone 578 UV3 Pro. So I don't think this is the top line one, but the one right next to it. I'm going to zoom you out. A manual, which I heard is in English, or somewhat close to English. If not, that's why I ordered from BridgeCom. BridgeCom Systems has excellent customer support. You can watch their live streams every Wednesday, and potentially win a new radio. A radio clip. I already have one in the truck that I'm probably going to use. That looks to be power cable with some inline fuses, but I already have one set up for power poles. So as long as it connects, looks like it's going to. Probably going to go with this one. Basically the same thing. Now we'll get the unit out, the radio unit. There we go. Smaller screen than what I had the last time, but the TYT, and I'll grab the TYT screen and we'll put them next to each other. Smaller monitor, but if this works better, I'm not going to complain. The car mounting bracket, which looks like it's the one that's in my car, or my truck. The Bluetooth PTT. I'm getting really excited for this, actually. I do use a Bluetooth when I travel. Some random nuts and bolts. I believe that's a programming cable. A USB to, not sure what end that is. This is, I have to read about that. Some kind of other cable though. I know I heard what it's for. I just can't recall off the top of my head. Oh, the GPS. This is going to be come in handy, so my team knows where I'm at in the field when storm spotting. And I'm going to say the most important part of the whole system, the microphone, because without this, you don't talk. That being said, without the radio, you don't transmit either. But that's a nice... Okay, let's do a quick side-by-side. I'll get this out real quick. So this is the BridgeCom, the Anytone, and this is the TYT. This one's got a lot more bulk to it. Actually, feels a lot nicer. So, and this one's a speaker mic. This one isn't. So there you go. My brand new mobile rig from BridgeCom Systems in Smithville, Kansas City. If you've never heard of them, look them up. I went with BridgeCom. Here, I'll flip you guys around. I ended up going with BridgeCom Systems for this radio because of the customer support aspect. I'm only about 4 hours from Kansas City. They're right outside Kansas City. So if I have any issues with this radio, heaven forbid this one takes a kaput on me, I'm a 4-hour drive away from getting in-person customer service. My TYT took a dump on me about a week ago, and I have yet to hear from TYT customer service. So I decided I was not going to buy from a foreign entity anymore. So BridgeCom Systems right down the road in Kansas City, or I think it's Smithville, Missouri. I went with them for the customer support. BridgeCom University, I've already watched a lot of their videos. I was already watching their live streams, trying to score a free handheld, a free radio on their live streams Wednesdays during my lunch breaks. So that's why I went with BridgeCom. I'm going to give you a full review over this radio, how easy it was to set up. I know there's a ton of them already, but you're going to get one from me. I like the GPS aspect, APRS aspect of this radio. Again, for storm spotting, my team can pull me up and check me on APRS. Know exactly where I am in comparison to where a storm is. When I say, hey, we need to get spotters out, I have eyes on something, they can pull up APRS and see exactly where I'm at. I'm still going to give them a location, but they have a more exact location. The digital aspect of it, I've never played with digital. I'm really excited about it because DMR, Yaesu system fusion, stuff like that is what I heard when I was a tech was killing people from going on from a technician. Because with this radio, with an internet relay with DMR, I can talk all over the world. So if I'm a technician and I can already talk all over the world, what's the bonus of upgrading my license? Well, I can already tell you the bonus of that because I'm already a general. One, you get more, you can do more privileges. One, I can, go get my VE certification. I can administer technician level tests. Another thing is, I'm not internet dependent. I don't need a network for a general license. I can set up you've seen on my videos. I talked to Hungary a week or two ago. Now I can do that with a lot more clarity with this 578 with the Skybridge hotspot, and it's not going to be sitting there struggling to hear them like you guys saw me struggle. But what this does, it does allow me. There are National Weather Slot Talk groups. This allows me to talk directly to National Weather Service. This allows me to communicate in clarity with people like Matt K0LWC, Shane on this side of the radio. I can talk to them on DMR and we can work on, we could just talk, or I know Shane and I have talked about getting a collaboration going. I know I would like to do a collaboration with Matt since he's only about 4 hours down the road too, in the opposite direction from BridgeCom. So it allows for some different capabilities that I'm really looking forward to. My wife's liking the hotspot aspect, because when I do, and I will eventually get my Anytone handheld, I can use the hotspot in the car off my phone Wi-Fi, and I no longer need an external antenna on the car. I can have the handheld and the hotspot. I can still play a radio, and we can go drive on a vacation or somewhere, and she doesn't have to worry about me putting some tacky antenna on her car. I don't find them tacky, but my wife's got other standards. That being said, thank you for watching. If you haven't liked, shared, and subscribed, please do. At the recording of this video, we're up to 68 subscribers. Let's get to 100. I was saying 70. 70 would be great. Get 2 more. I want 2 more. No, I want 1,000. 1,000's the big goal. But let's get to 100. So we got about 20 more, or 30 more to go. Wow, if I can do math. We got about 30 more subs to go to 100. I love hearing from you guys. Drop a comment. I have nothing else, guys. You already have a Parks on the Air video that's ready to go for next week. I hope you really enjoy it. I've been trying to put a lot more into these, the editing and whatnot. If there's any suggestions, any kind of thing you can think of that you would like to see on the channel, want me to help, or could you think could help out, drop them in the comments. I'll answer. With that, thank you for watching.